research question for this project was, how does the temperature throughout the day affect the temperature of different types of walking surfaces? We chose this research question because in the park you are not allowed to wear or bring slippers on the slides. However, the floor outside of the water gets extremely hot because it's constantly in the sun. Outside of the slides, it is recommended that shoes are worn, however, which is often not followed because of the issue with the slides. Walking on these surfaces would burn the feet of the aquaventure customers, therefore the choice of the flooring surface is rather important, and that is why we decided to measure it.
We use the temperature probe to calculate the temperature of the surfaces. We chose this because it is faster at calculating temperature than a thermometer. We also use the vernier lab quest to be able to measure the temperature in degrees Celsius. We chose the lab quest because it is accurate and stores all the information. Furthermore, it is more convenient for the water part because it is not affected by water.
First, placing the P probe against a surface, you are measuring for 10 to 20 seconds and watching as the lab quest temperature increases and then plateaus. Then, note down the temperature on the table. Once it plateaus, proceed to measure the remaining surfaces the same way, making sure to record each individual temperature each time. Wait 15 minutes and then repeat the process. Repeat it all for a total of 16 times or for 4 hours over the course of the day.
All the slate staircases reached the highest of 56.2 degrees Celsius due to it being dark in color, which means it absorbs heat faster than other materials. Its smooth texture also made it seem much hotter when people would step on it. Since it stays in the sun all day, the temperature seems to peak around 12:45 or 1 o'clock due to the sun being at its highest point. The plastic sand mix had the lowest temperature, which was mostly because of the grainy feel as well as it being under a layer of water. Since the water was around 20 degrees Celsius, it helped to cool the surface against the harsh sun. Some improvements we could have made include making all the surfaces above water, because it drastically affected the temperature compared to the other surfaces. Another improvement we could have made is to mark the spot that we recorded the temperature on, because then we would have taken the temperature of the exact same spot each time, rather than just taking the spot close to it. The effect of human error can also affect it in relation to the time, where we might have not taken data in the exact 15-minute interval.
Group 4 project is over. Woo!
Should credit their questions back after.